Bit of rain today. Been trying to reach them Ulthwani elves for a bit of help. Well, you never know, do you? Not heard out. Snobby bunch.
Y palaguno ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera ongi etorri zuzeneko honetara eta joan zeu gauden apikutara. Bale, oso ondo, hobeto. Gertatzen zaio ni itxaron, hemen. Itxaron momentu bat. A ver, Twitter horrela jarriko duzu zenen gaudela. Venga, animo. Oraindik kanpoan eguzkia dago. Bale, orain hasiko gara benetan. Bueno, berdin da. Bueno, lagunok, ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri honetara, esperientzia irukoitza lortuko dugun zuzeneko honetara, eta berbinten baldin badaukazue, esan behar dizuet, azaroaren 16 eguna barnean izan da, esperientzia irukoitza jarrizango duzuela, irazten duzuenean eta gartzen duzuenean bai, eta zeatuko gara apur bat, gure pertsonaiak nibelez igotzen eta etoren joango gara apur bat lehenengo Victorrekin eta gero agian Markusekin ikusiko dugu zuzenekoa nola doan eta horren arabera erabakiko dut ia nola jarraitu. Baina, bueno. A ver.
I need a distraction,
vale.
and you're just the fellows to make it.
Esperientzia irukoitza bizirik dago azararen 16 bitartean.
Give them a good clatter, and you'll draw every iron blade for miles around. Why, you ask? Our friendly neighborhood magic spy, Alicia, needs to gather vital intelligence on the Skittergate. Figure you could help her out.
Vale. Goazen apur bat eskabenak hiltzera eta... Oraingoz, bai Kerin eta bai Siena 35. nivelean ditugu, baina talentu guztiak 30. nivelean ja zengo talentua lortzen da, eta hortik aurrera ja, agian joango gara 35. nivel hori eskuratzera.
think it's this way. Bloody right, Hammer! Press on! We
Vale,
shall
hemen ez nago
prevail!
zehaz. Batzutan egon hori da, baina gaurkoan badirudi ez.
Kill him quicker next time, will ya? That's enough, Carillion!
Agian patrulla bat baldin badago, ez da komenigarria.
Kill more, Garrickson! Kill more! Hit the noggin, elf!
A ver, hemen dice topatu zen.
That's what I am. Oh, a fat Blight Stormer. Leave Prowling. Right, leave me alone. Azungi, get off to him. I'll give you one for free. Not enough, neither in numbers or effort. More. Someone give me a real one.
Vale, men.
Look, potion.
Horrengo zen gora. Begiratu duzu hortik zehazo dagoen. Bada espada esan nahi.
Sigma, guide me to my comrades.
Bai, ba, no. Aizkorekin aurrera. A ver. Beretzat.
Lead him, Blightstormer.
Etorri hona. Hemen hobeto gongo gara.
They may be repulsive, but they die easily enough. Leopardman tightly kill that sorcerer before he strikes you himself. See, young sorcerer? Kill him as the vortex has done. Likely she's got her one leg each. I sense.
This is our moment. Let them pay! A dozen such dwarfs, and we'd end this in moments. Looks like a healing draft. Globity up! I can't deny that you know how to kill elves.
Ah, this is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I believe.
Hogger's Bridge? Two known regiments vanished without trace of Hogger's Bridge. Well, bloody blade monks! Harry, now, Harry! I spend my blood willingly! As you hit the front finger at it. Keep going, Rocky, you might hit something.
You do know that you're shooting me.
Shoot straight!
Etorri hona.
We've seen worse than this. Hang on. Here, this looks like the door. You call that a shield, Cracky?
Eta buja.
Stairs, Meat Flies. Stairs.
Bai, ikusten ditu.
Some potion, lend me bigger.
Ya, me han dado.
Gatarada! Fall, foul abomination!
Harassings are problem no more. This is the door.
Vale, goazen
Ocean
aurrera.
cash!
Welcome to your doom.
Claro, atzetik.
Sigma, bless this shot!
War. Initiating.
Go on! Again! I can take it! Right away, yes! We know that for Ratogger!
A strangler comes. We should kill it swiftly.
Heal before sun! Filthy bastard!
Mira, a ver. Bueno, el nice. Oso ondo.
Gaspon! Surely you've a little more to give us, Ungi. For tall friends and bloody Sigmar! Yeah! Can't lie, I'm not feeling great. Yeah, a lovely drop. You gonna use that shield, Ratman?
La galería caudeor. Arazorik. Bueno, heldu behar gara.
Sarsaparilla! Come on, over here! Looks like stairs to me. Shield Raki incoming! We need a way through that gate. Maybe bring the cannon to bear using that crate. Potion better it fast.
failed, gas rat. Death is too good for you.
Call that a good shot? Still, it's cleared a path.
This is the door.
Is that the temple?
An elixir there, if you want to risk a mayfly alchemist's heart.
Here, it's here.
Here, ammunition.
Who's dead? Check the sack.
Listo. Salto, salto, cajón, ¿verdad?
Rotel,
No,
kill it
sí,
good.
ahora después.
It's up there. There's so many of them.
Have a care. That's a king's warrior.
War hunting. Get in there. Good shot, Jory. Now let's move on. That devious elven mind is impossible. Right, hammer. I hear him. Blightstormer. That's what you get for blightstorming. I hear a clover here.
Stunnerly. No loving.
There's a rothelm. Careful
A ver.
or he'll have your head.
Sir Gaitik.
Gas rat dead.
Me toman.
I fight on! To the last! You're wounded, sir! Come on, through this door!
If I die, up here!
No! Fighting you! That's what I am! Gaslat, watch for the throw!
The furnace!
Bottle runner! I can tie a thread here. I'm in
The weave is screaming! Kill that Blightstormer!
dead. Let your foul winds speed your soul to damnation.
Down here, are you all blind?
Vale, haciendo batalla de
This site should be full of pilgrims. It will be so again.
Come
Not
on!
bad for
this
a
way!
fellow with one eye. Sigmar guide my sight. Was he guide mine? Or better yet, send me a nice cool flagon of ale. The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding. Look at us run! Watch us shine!
Darkling, vigilance.
Sleeping on duty? Grounded! Told you shooting me, Gruber!
There! Light leech!
Listen. Leech. What fire? The what fire thrower is dead. Yeah, that bloody hurts. You wounded, Gruber?
You should tend your wounds, One Eye.
I need that.
One Eye.
I took kills for you.
That rot hell might test us, Mayflies. What in Drakira's name is in this bottle?
I walk with Sigma. Have a care. I hear a storm, sorcerer. Oh, nice.
Well, we're here. What about this bell Loner wants ringing?
Refill your supplies while time yet remains. Let the slaughter begin! Strike the bell!
Torriona. Ahora hago...
No turning back now, mates!
Here they come.
Ash, I hear a warp fire thrower.
Don't let it hit
All friends and bloody Sigma! I still need your strong right arm, thrower!
Vuelvo a reiniciar y eso no es difícil para probar.
You're barely scratched, Mayfly.
Come on then, we'll have you!
If you can't shoot straight, One Eye, don't bother. Quiver, you just hit me.
Vedete se ne gelditzea horrela lau flankoa nahi
All right, come on then! I can do this all day! Heal before sun! Rumba, you filthy bastard! Hey! I feel the dark grubs reach up! You need your wounds! With this shot I am journeyed! Look it on, don't fall! You wounded, Grover!
That is Lewis.
More room here! Go on! It's harder! Reckon I hear a gun rat. Oh, there's a lot of them.
Luminaire, bring it down. Gunner,
Can't argue with that, kid. Fanatics, plague monks. this trick blowing out the door. Best make use of it, Dory. Ah. Help me! Here they come! Come down! Up as some with cause to kill! Start over! Hogger! That's still standing! Do it proper! Oh, not enough! Try again! Harder!
Tío, ¿me estás vacilando? O sea, es Veneta, o sea, uff.
Don't let me die with my boots on.
Barkatu hor erdarakada bat dotatzea, baina ez dakit, salto egin ez galdu hor denbora. Salto goitik eta listo. Vale. Talentu puntu bat desblokeatuta. Kofre bat. Ez dago txarto. Hor jartzen duenean mapa honetan ies egiteko, honena da ies egitea. Osea, ez saiatu eskaen guztiak egitea. Uff. Vale, talento hori jarri behar dugu. Ea noiz arte. Vale, bengo agatik mugu eta aurrera. Bueno, berdin da. Jarraituko dugu hemen.
Bit of rain today.
Vale, guazen.
I've some answers, and none of them good. Our Bergenhafen problem's down to a Chaos rune sword. Draws fatty Nurgle's eye wherever it goes, and plague follows. Plague and worse. One Father Krausman has it locked up in his secret sanctum Maleficarum waiting for you. Don't disappoint him, or me. Sooner we get the Blight Reaper out of Bergenhafen, the better.
Vale. Esperientzia irukoitzaren aprobetxatu behar da alik eta gehien. Baina, bueno. Venga ya. Hágase de arriba.
A fine day, as long as you avert your eyes from Helmgard.
No digo de con Juan. Vale. Bueno, Bardinekin. Pentsat nivel zigo gara.
Turns out our Bergenhafen problem's down to a Chaos rune sword, the Blight Reaper. The good news is that Father Krausman has it under lock and key in a hidden Sanctum Maleficarum, but that'll not last. Bring it back here. I doubt we can destroy the bloody thing, but I'm prepared to give it a good old Hockland try, as me mother used to say.
Guazen a gorrera. Markus ezin genuen ez hartu dut ipotxa behintzat horrela 35. nivelera.
It's lovely!
A black dot approaches. Cleared archers! Cleared arrows!
Thick as the scum on the right.
Lovely up more big garment!
Grindy, you should hear it. Nothing you can have. A healing drop right here. With this shot, I am journey. I spend my blood willingly.
Another black. By the way,
Lying down on the jump, Ricky! Feel the more sun through you filthy bastard!
if you can't shoot straight, one eye, don't bother.
There's nothing but layers of scars!
More storm vermin. Is there no end to them? That stench. A storm vermin.
Ja, guazen.
Ammunition! There are no eyes so blind as those who refuse to see.
I am a mountain! I feel cow! Nothing! like potions. Oh well, any port in a storm.
Here, ammunition.
We cannot fail now. Bergenhaven's death must have a purpose.
Is that a note of concern I hear, sir?
Of pragmatism, Alfie. There are too few righteous souls in the world. Their effort should not be wasted.
We'll do what we can, but there are no guarantees. It's about to get a lot harder.
Hunters! Slay them!
Chaos Warrior, meet me, please! Leech. Leech is down!
No.
Oh, will you listen to that? Get off your lazy asses and lend a hand, you useless buggers! Shields and axe! That sure wasn't.
Hook rat, kill it! Hot Mastodon!
Bring the attacks and ambush! Don't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. You should have seen the Hogwarts dress.
Uf.
No regiment vanished without trace of honesty. Well,
Medical supplies, over here! Gas rat, yeah!
No!
A la picútara.
You're a born killer, sir, and no mistake. Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Not for me, but this'll do.
Vale, aburrera.
Potion, here! Rot helm! A Chaos Warrior, just what we needed. One less Scunner Rot helm! A black rat, a challenge at last.
Sono niente di tornavo. Questo è nuovo.
You'd test an elf, shield rat.
Beast! I am ready!
I need a hand now.
¿Dónde cabe?
Uber's right. Helmgart, Bergenhafen. Whole bloody empire's falling into the soup.
Ahora. Ah, Grimorio vas.
Come, black rat. I'll show you mercy. Bandages. Filthy, of course. Now, that's a Scunner leech. My bow reaches where your hit cannot, Strangler.
Leech Prowling!
Now that That's a Glober deal. The Bastigon! It's charging!
Another sword burning. It'll die like the rest. Come beyond that. Taste the steel. Doesn't matter how much armor it wears, it's still a rat. Of course, sight is no more. Idiots!
Not yet.
Venga ya.
Invincible one. Oh! Bloody hell. Give a man a moment, will ya? Double the discipline!
Killing rats never loses its entertainment, even the large ones. See there? The wealthy quarters seems to be unnatural.
Go on, gratefuls! They're not done with us. By Toll, they're not.
No. Eta sakeat gutako arte hori ez duzu hartu nahi, Hori ez, bakarrik tomak eta hori. Bale, oso ondo, niri egia esan da hori nizai.
Friar rat's close. Flame rat!
Ai,
There! No more fire rat!
A faithful servant and an untimely end. Seek your reward, priest.
vale, va a dar
I've
por...
spotted ammunition! More potions. Do I spy an ammunition stash?
Pues sí, chulo, beldurgarri dauka honek.
Yes, have a good look. I'm sure you've nothing better to do.
I shall now sing a song to keep our spirits up.
Goya.
I'd wager it's not supposed to look like this in here.
bitches.
Always works, that's all.
Carrera non andava.
On to the next one.
Down that bonfire before we all burn!
This way! So many shots, such poor aim.
Gullickson, you should heal.
Rattling gunners close by! Stand ready, Dory! Grimky, you'll take like you want it! Get in there! You see that? Be around? Reckon I can take it quickly?
It's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, couldn't do it without you.
Ha ha! You fight like a dwarf, Azungi! The righteous feel no pain! Glory! Yeah!
Heal up, dwarf. You're fooling no one.
That stench! Plague monks up ahead, Mayflies.
Always was quick.
When I had the fright. Are you so fragile? If you dare. A fleeting shadow!
Bueno, lo barren el loot.
The reek of flame.
Está de largo,
It's an unofficial start.
¿Cuántos?
Stand ready.
A rot hell! Sigma grant me strength!
Get it, Lord. You're tough. Now heal. Aha! There it is.
Numbers seldom best skill. Let's go! Find a way!
We tell ye, shoot the enemy, not me!
Poner así como... Uff, largo con Garemen, Pico punto. Vale. Conforme. No sé, tu cogare può c'è che infatti. Eta daukaguna nahi. Egunekoak. Botxelin guretzat. Aste guztikoa.
If I'm not mistaken, Moore's leaves even larger than during the Oodles.
Zorgen histeria falta zaigu partida hasi ahal izateko berriro ere. Elfak badirudi delezea duela.
Kruber, do you really plan on spending the rest of your short life under One-Eye's thumb?
Oh, no, I don't. And this ain't exactly...
Stop me if you've heard this one before, but the Ratmen have raised a bloody great bell up on Helmgart's ramparts. Crazy little buggers will worship anything near as I can tell. Problem is, there's no way to know if this is a purely ceremonial lump of bronze or a lodestone for our Grey Seer's magic. We'll have to destroy it, just to be safe. And by we, I mean you.
Bai, gauza guztiak beti guri.
That potion may serve, if you can stomach it.
There, in the distance, the bell.
Inferno dance!
Now, again!
Here, ammunition. Hurry, this way.
Vale.
Here I go bad, sir. You're shooting me.
Mate turruna gorduko gare, como 70 puntu gehiago
Who cannot match my zeal?
A gas rat approaches. Not bad for a lumberfoot.
Out of that mess, now!
With the winds!
I am a mountain. I feel... Ow! Nothing! Oh, a chaos for it!
Ratman gunner!
Ni tomo que tenemos ya una llave de Superman. Jende honek baldin badakien daude. en el especial.
Leech is no more. Leech prowling. Leech witch disposed of. Hail of bloodshot inbound. The gun rat is dead.
Vale.
Oh, give the healing drop.
This way.
Medigora,
Onward. Minions.
Euripean dantza.
My Hangman and the hammer. I judge you all. Down the hatch.
Marinetta ora.
I don't want burning to a crisp, so kill that warfire. Not bad for a fellow with one eye. Sigmar guides my strikes, Master War. Wish he'd guide mine, or better yet, there'd be a nice cool flagger of ale.
Best of the garment. Kill them all. Not so good in a fair fight, assassin. Vermin with shields. Here.
You never escape judgment, Lecture! Match four. The big head one. Yes, got excellent. Let the blood flow.
Esto está perfecto.
Yeah, what's in this? Let's get a potion.
Plague rats.
So that's it.
Shield. Ha!
Hasten to me. Hold a moment while I drink.
Ja, nik badaukat.
Oh, over here, mayflies. Oh, let this potion work.
Potion here.
Ammunition.
Stormbeast coming up, lads. Coin is no true defense against the horrors of this world. Only faith.
Aqua, your beast brings fire. Kill that fire rat. I don't want to burn.
Hold your breath. A grenadier.
Kill the vermin before it goes.
Sir Frober.
A black rat approaches.
Ja, nik badaukat. Honek botxa da eskuz eskarrago zen. Sin
Come,
material.
black rat. Take steel.
Always worth that. Almost there, Dory. Almost there. Just a bit more of your winning pillage. Back to each other. It's an ambush. I can't take much more.
a gas rat!
We could use that.
Ah, vale. Atzetik heldu eta sentitu.
Healing draft. You'll need
Misio
it.
ganditzen dugun bitartean.
Ammunition here! I'll not waste a drop.
Medical supplies. I am tired of patching you up, Kruger. One day I won't. If you can't shoot straight with one eye,
Oia, tengo que finalizar el misio bukatu alizateko. Negatibo, bai, baina zen motokia. Agian hobeto aprimatu behar litzateke eskopeta horrekin.
What are these packed, sworn, and vexatiously long stairs against the power
Hartu.
of Sigma?
Ez du hartzen, oso ondo.
I hear a globadier.
Oso
Gas
ondo.
rat.
Orduan hori zertarako, esperientzia gehiago duzun erortu.
I've got the
Assassin
runner
rat.
treads close.
Gas rat! Plague monks!
Think carefully. I spy a grenadier. Chin up, big blaze. Here, I'll take you like that. Storm vermin.
All of them coming! Let's teach him some manners! I need help!
Oso ondo.
Mind those wounds, Ward. Heal up.
Don't worry, Lucy. I'll be back.
Agur.
Shall we face them together, Kruger?
Bloody battering ram, that's what I am.
Indatik eta zuntzitu ara.
That stench. Storm vermin.
Tik, tik. Toma.
Rouse yourself, Kruger. Here, ammunition. That roar, like a drunken roar.
Eta
That hurt! And so it's... Draw the beast's attention. Right over!
Right, hammer!
Fleeting shadow!
The righteous yield no cave!
That's right, Morrison. You show that rat ogre.
Show him what? Exactly as you did.
Oh, the mind boggles and the stomach heaves.
eta beste biak.
Righteous yield not. That sure was it.
Thanks, Marty.
grenade! Bomb! Right. Kneel before Sir Gruber, you filthy bastard! We've a fight on our hands now!
Dwarf. I think he's drunk. Mommy!
Defined by technology, elf!
Filthy thing! I never want to touch one again.
For the bloody Reichshammer! Mind your aim!
Bit of rain today.
Jerónimo. Bueno, vamos echando un jardín aquí.
Back to the illusory world of Uber's Reich you go. It seems that there is a piece of the puzzle hiding out in the Garden of Moor. Well, I say hiding out. I doubt it got there without a little help. Have a little bit of a look around. Turn over a few stones, maybe a few graves. Oh, and find the source of the poison, too. For old time's sake.
A ver. Ez mapa hau ze gustatzen. Bueno, betiko lez, osea... Edakit, bideokoetan suposatzen dut, naiz eta pertsonai berdinen... Jo, no zengo nuke. Imaginatu, saga bat, bagian... Adibidez, Lara Croft Tomb Raider, bagian joko guztiak ez eskizu berdin gustatzen dituen mekanikak eta bar hori apur bat errazago azaltzeko.
Brewing should be reserved for ale. These racky, profane bugman's art with their plagues.
Aye, old Loner's struck gold again. Get a load of that damned rat's teeth.
Must be about it, Dory. No sense waiting.
That's no natural
A ver,
light.
mapa hau ez gustatzen batez ere
Come,
azken
Black Rat.
zatiagatik.
I'll show you mercy.
Nice one! There's potions here! No more shots!
I'm ready for you, shield rats.
bad. Better practice will make a soldier of you. And on a hook.
A hook rat. Krill amongst the krill.
Just a runner.
Get this vermin off me!
Someone kill that grenadier! Treachery! The elf target!
Minion! A black rat approaches.
Now, this seems familiar.
It's impossible to decide. She decides to shoot me!
Volga! There's an ambush!
Kill them! Shooting shadow!
Marrón, tío. Asco de gala. Era che colonna di sono nuove colonne di Oye, che incontro.
More potions.
They scavenge the dead. But why?
To me!
Ahí, square che no vedo.
They call these arrows. They'll have to do.
It's the front at all.
Keep together. This place is a labyrinth.
Vale, tontos.
Aisha's grace. Healing drop.
With this, I toast victory.
Here, that's a walk for thrower. Salty hell.
No more fires.
So, do these horrors have no end?
Don't worry, Footy. I'll be back.
Kick off, foul heretic! Take my will,
I'm no goblin shoe stranger, elf.
bloody battering ram, that's what I am!
Away, Nifty. Put it down.
That troll wasn't as formidable as I feared.
Here, ammunition. Medical supplies.
Down here.
There's no way through.
Listen up. That's a Kazaki door. Blood everywhere. Hand them to the rock. You're making me proud, Sergeant. Yeah! Bring it up!
Don't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. Should have seen you Hogger's wretch. Dozens, I think.
Hoggers? Wait a minute. 2 known regiments vanished without trace of their place. Help! Help!
Right, Stormers, dear! He's mine!
There's a potion! A rot helm! It's clumsier than you, mayflies.
Stop it in armor! Smack it in the head! Potion! Look at Zaki Noon falls!
Grimly!
Dime. El Grungy.
Down here!
Chaos Warrior's dead!
Healing draft here! Imbibing a potion.
There's enough here to bind me head to boat.
This way!
Ay,
May
vete
this
yo que la
potion
gente
cure
burbuja.
more than it causes.
Hook rat inbound! Someone put him down!
Beware the hook!
Vale, aviadura explosiva.
This way looks
Explosoya.
promising.
Light Stormer! He's close!
Great sorcerer! Clearing a path!
Make way!
Tainted wind! Grand!
Kill its creator!
Here's a healing draft.
Help all and confusion to our foe!
I can transform into madness!
Always something in store.
Storm Vermin! Burner!
Cagao. A usarte y eso te da.
My rat's dead! Drink Benazzi! I'm a bit banged up!
Heal, dwarf! Or you'll soon be dead. The winds die with their master.
Assassin, I hear it! Got a runner! Get this fruiting
Betty ni de Villa.
Listen, Leech.
Stunner Leech down!
A storm vermin! Engage with care!
Bloody black rats!
Medical supplies.
No, estoy de eso.
Eyes, Leech! Eyes open! You think pain will stop me?
I can continue so long as the bindings hold.
Over here! Wait me now!
Quit your yammering! There's a Chaos Warrior near. Come, Stunner! My disdain alone will sell you.
Fight them together! He's a fool!
Hurry! This way!
That maze doesn't look much fun. Get close, Dory.
Take out that rat!
Oh, great.
Go over here! The hook rat!
Venga ya.
Signs of evil.
Lumberfoots, can you not see? This is the path.
See above. Sigma favors us.
Los enemigos.
Behind that door.
Medical supplies!
The Sackrat is dead.
Flies. Healing draft, mayflies.
You're a bit tiny for my taste.
Vale, es que
That
no-
sounds like a rat thing.
que aquí. Armadillos del trago.
Move or burn! As any Sigmar-fearing man knows, we need to destroy that thing.
Let the black rat come. I've an arrow for him. Another blackbird! Vermin never learn.
Here before the son of Sigmar and the Empire! Bring that cauldron down! Cut the chain! Filthy, ratty scum! Oh, they're on the attack now!
Stop going off! You'll never be as good as Offrey.
Get back!
Set in the book.
Such wildness! It's Rubidier! Hold your breath and shield your eyes!
Tattered figures come. I'll wager 'tis plague money.
Ah, it hurts.
Got a
Bueno, horiek sentitzen badute hori. Uste dut joan daitezela ni gabe eta partida irabazi.
Open settle. Look out!
Strike me down!
Poison rat! Find it! Kill it! Right, watch out!
I can't breathe. Incoming!
Blow blobber coming in!
No le cuesta nada.
Bloody Sigmar!
Big Data, stop me!
Justo momentu hau irasita duzuna eta dena pikutera doa. Vale, conforme. Hala guazen.
Good evening.
Probatuko dugu. Bai. Ja beste biak zer esaten duten. Aizkora polita ere. Venga, así.
You know what I think, Barden?
So, you give any thought to that little proposition I made?
Bueno, bitartean. Bentsat 35. nivel horretara heltzeko.
Do you not miss the army life, Sergeant? Comrades in arms instead of us.
Oye, benetan. Bueno, etxan barko dugu etxan.
Still no luck finding that Karak Zoom of yours?
Zero. Ia nora guazen orain.
Helmgart's lost, folks.
Mm,
But we still have our little ways of keeping
Vale,
eyes and ears
circular-
down there. And something's going on at the Shallian
circular,
Hospice.
borobilaren
Whole
mapa.
thing reeks of chaos magic.
bueno, zirku
Go and
antzeko
deal
bat
with
ere
it,
bada.
would you? Things are bad enough already.
This has the look of a healer's temple well enough, but it's strictly dead.
Something bad happened here, mates.
Come on, this way.
Intentatzen
Another
ez
blackbird. These vermin never learn.
proiektil armaduran edo ez du.
Good shot, Dory. Now let's have another.
Another of these blackbirds comes to challenge me.
By Sigma! Kill the famine on me!
Medical supplies.
Gas lamp, up for the door. There, gas lamp. Over there and down.
Face them together. Stay close.
Adjusted runner. Are you ready, Mayfly?
A blessed shot. Yes, Donington, let the blood flow.
Woohoo! You saw them, Sergeant!
Well, the dwarf seems agitated.
Look, healing draft.
Come on, down the stairs.
Those cells are no place for the sick, no matter their affliction.
There, that is the point of ingress. Vermin with shields, incoming! Hatred grants purpose. Purpose grants strength.
Healing draft over here.
Ja,
Lumberfoots, can you
baina
not
zoiz
see?
hartzen
This is the path.
horrelakorik egin. Guzen bukatzen duguna Montforren Bretonian
I
imperioan hasi
confess
edo
I see little
Bretonian
difference
bukatu.
between the sewer and the roads high above.
Eh,
Flame beast, want to get cooked?
Grab you by the neck.
Don't let it scare you.
Oh, but rat ogre's prowling. We better be ready. I'll kill Stormfiend.
The eternal dance. Potion, here. Treat carefully. I spy a Globadier.
There's only a scratch, soon have it patched up.
Heard a tale not long back. One of the sisters of Shallian lost
Kruger,
her mind.
keep killing like
Slit
this
a
and I'm
bum's
gonna lose
throat,
my bed.
vanished into the wild.
Lots of madness in the world these days. It used to be.
Welcome, dear flies.
Here we go, and boom! Healing draft. Don't squander it.
Vile taste. Needs hops.
Escena aburrera.
A fleeting shadow!
Yeah, that's even gunner.
Vale.
Doors open, Drengbarazzi. Let's work on the next.
Rattling gun, move! Piss on that rattling anyway!
Well, that's a door open. Shame there's another one.
Pick yourself. Come on the right.
That was the wrong switch. Gas rat, beware of poison.
The gas! Watch out!
I am a mountain. I feel nothing. Doors open. Time to go that.
That rat's got a reach, all right. Gutter runner.
Beware the hook!
I fight on. To the last. You're back wounded, Grimby.
Healing draft here.
I'll not waste a drop.
We're blessed. Help.
Stairs, mayflies, stairs! Shield vermin hiding among them!
Even a dwarf needs tending.
Ja, bueno, hemen gauza da bardin hemen, no esango nuke hiltzaile moduan edo eriotza bila dagoen pertsonen moduan aukera izatea
Over here.
hiltzen baldin bada beste hirurek jarraitu hori izatea bakarrik hori loreari begiratzen egiten badu
You terminated our contract, sir. What were you shooting me, I mean? There, gas rat. Gas attack, watch out!
You think you're...
Bearing a car. Mind your wounds, sir. Right work, bloodshed. I hear something. Gas rat. I think it's this way.
Bombs here!
Vale, bombak. Este y aquí tenemos.
Leech!
Ha! One less leech. He's about to throw his poison.
This place is steeped in chaos. It may be that Helmgart is not for saving lumberfoots.
Must have a loot nearby. Stay alert.
Good saggies and dead saggies. Yeah! Bring it on! I'll clamber down there if I have to. Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body! Here we go! Suppuration and decay!
Over here. Wet me now. Kill the boss, Gruber, you filthy bastard.
All around us.
Hang about! Let me stitch my leg back on.
Vale.
These steps go downwards.
There's a rat ogre flamer nearby.
Vale, Monforten gaur. Imperiotik joan gara.
Another sword vermin. It'll die like the rest.
Bueno, pincelemos con el a rato jogro baten kontra, beriotza hona izan daiteke horietako bat izan daiteke. Ez da jozu txarra izan.
Plague rats! Here, we're heading down.
These Northlanders worship Nurgle, foulest of the Dark Gods, from what I hear.
You should never grade evils, Crowbar. For if one is the worst, then you might be tempted to kinship with the least.
Medical supplies, over here.
Benetan ez dituzu lartuzkoa. Baina gora joan dituzen.
The sound of a ritual reaching its peak. We don't have long.
Leeches down. The rasp of feather.
It's a demon summoning, woven from death and decay. Ah, I'm fading. Gods preserve me.
Keep to the circle, mate. It's weakening their magic. Well done. Don't want to get separated.
What's going on? You'll never be as good as us, Reed.
Fuck. Yeah. Vale.
Storm burning.
Someone kill that rotting straggler!
But these hurt rats love their toys.
The assassin meets a deserving death.
Ah, la había disildado.
We get all the filthy jobs done.
Now! Don't take
Dancing
that
on,
back
you
and
know how to
slay them all!
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Father's breath.
Sí, que yo le llegas tú,
God right.
Por la cosa
The
esta.
gunner's dead. I've lost mates to chaos for you.
The eternal dance. Rally, guns.
Bloody Sigmar.
No end to them.
Look at you, Dad!
Chaos warrior.
That's enough! Gangway!
Uf. Beste dat 35 nivelera. Bi Grimorio. Ranale no paría. Ah. Vale. Bai. Jarraituko dugu bestearekin. Eso. A ver. Arkabusik ez daukala. No, honekin joan beharko gara aurrera.
The shadow magic protecting us works better at night.
Bestela krukarrekin. Vale.
Bit of a troubling one for you. Seems we've had a bloody great meteor make a mess. Now, I don't have to tell you that things falling from the sky ain't exactly good news. do I? And that's without some of the other
Minotauroak eta horrelako monstruak daude. Bueno, a ver. Es que esperientzia hirukoitza. Hori asko nabaritzen da. Batez ere galtzen denean, ez denean gehiago galtzen denean ere. Baina, bueno.
All this distance, and little hint of why.
Lunar doesn't worry over nothing.
Del
Proceed,
Velator.
but remain vigilant. Even if this is a wild goose chase, there will likely be danger afoot.
Save it for later, Saltspire.
Joder.
Hack him
Eta
down.
nahi gabe ipotxari egin diot min, ez asko, baina min.
Well, ratties, is it? No change there.
Ja, bueno. A ver, hemen egongo da segada bat.
The gods are returning. We should not be found wanting.
That's a fire rat. Someone kill it.
Come on, this way.
Hemen segatentzako lekua proposa izan daiteke ez, da.
Here, now. Is there no cessation?
Es.
You think it will stop me?
Get away!
Bestigorrak gainera. Hauek arazoak ematen dute leku guztietan. Nola ere
Beastman
Minotauro
now, is it?
askoz ere
Redeem.
Where's that gusset?
Strangler! Over there, kill it!
These beast men are more than mere monsters.
On this, if nothing else.
They are man's corruption made manifest.
Ugh, they're much worse than that. They're the rot in the very soul. Watch for the charge!
Here! It's here!
A Glubadier! Hold your breath and shield your eyes!
I hear a backstabber! Hold! Get this black bastard off me! Grimnir's beard! Gas!
It's up here!
Stand back. Those tanks are going to explode.
Here they come!
Gorazko.
Wait, that one was dead! I spent my blood willingly! That's a keen eye you've got there with your game.
I am lost beyond words.
Brilliant! Heal up!
Looks like more ammunition.
Your winds are no match for my fire, sorcerer! Mud! Fire!
Vale, Gontus.
Beast men! As if there wasn't already enough work for righteous
Yes.
souls.
The sky weeps.
Pot
Weep
jau na.
trembles. What has become of this place?
Warpstone. It's always warpstone, isn't it, Tringlerazi? Well, I'm up for disposing of the crews if you are.
I could do this all day. Fly!
So much for the fun!
To me!
The standard reads their mouths.
Witch! Your aim is as crooked as your model.
Tringlerazi.
No more banner! No more magic! Ah!
Ammunition here!
Hurry! This way!
Vale.
White Corbin near Mayflies! Mayflies! Kill the assassin! Now!
I don't enjoy being broiled, wizard.
Strike them
You're barely hanging on one eye.
Saca.
The captive healing her jailer.
Border! There's an ambush!
Check your aim out.
Quería que te quedas tú ese, está tú eres.
Eating. You're slow.
I'm surprised you can stand with them. Oh, shut! Kill every one of the bastards, Bob!
So, these Minotaurs, what are they? A larger kind of beastmen? Some other sort of mutated monster?
I've seen no definite proof either way. My view is that it doesn't matter, so long as they bleed.
Ocrinos!
Of course he does, Barton. Imaginary friends know everything.
Potion, lend me vigor.
Strangler, bring it down. Don't let it touch me.
Shit! You won't need throwing, thank you!
See that? Globadier! And go Bowman! The beast is charging!
Come on, Bloodmonkey, I'm waiting!
You want to be shot? Get clear!
Over there! The file!
Poison rat's going to blow!
Gaslam's dead!
Help me!
The witches of Millstone around my throat! Get me back!
Oh. Guarda il mostro. Eso dago. Ikutara. Sakuraren puta.
Nice weather today.
Ah. Paseda, zuzergaitik, bueno, berdin zait. Guazen aurrera.
Good evening. All is well. Well,
Txalo.
not really.
Guazen aurrera. Vale. Buah.
Bardin? Bardin, come on! You're gonna miss out on a good scrap. Get ready. Chop,
Va.
chop.
I confess, Gorrickson, that I find your diligence uplifting. You understand duty.
Dawn.
A ver.
Helmgart's lost, folks.
Vale.
We still have our little ways of keeping
La
eyes and ears
lengua.
down there, and something's
Pero esa no
going
se
on
me
at the
da.
Shellian Hospice. Whole thing reeks of chaos magic. Go and deal with it, would you? Things are bad enough already.
Ez desela jarri norbait deskonektatu dela eta zibilgatu behar dugula beste partida bat, mesedez. Vale, ez. Ze misio falta zait hemen gainditzea zailtasun honetan.
This place stinks of sickness. Hope I don't catch something unpleasant.
Press on, but with care. This may be a trap.
Vale, berdetonarrea dituen pasiboa.
Follow me! Ha! Delicious strike!
See, a trail of corruption. It will lead us to answers. Depend upon it.
Thanks, Sigma. I have found ammunition.
Hemenetxeko helburua zirkulu magikora
Felt that one!
By the lady's golden locks and fire.
Ah, Strangler! Burn it! Inside!
Ha! Strangler strangles no more. That sounds like a rattling.
See these steps?
Jenna, don't burn old Kruger. Come on.
Vale, hemen dago ze.
I still reckon this Shallier of yours can do with a good axe or mallet to close
She's the
round.
patron of healing, Bardin. What healer would smash in skulls?
One who wants to keep stitching folk up, rather than get stitched up themselves.
You have to admit, it's a practical suggestion.
At the very least, you could trade that dumb girl to coordinates. All. Hear that? Stomping great blood Kazaki. Don't lose heart. Just that fine thing. Strangle a rat. We got the hot rat. New priority. Kill that warp fire thrower now. Fire rats down.
Definitely felt better.
Don't worry, Fuji. I'll be back. You think pain will stop me? That's right, Kruber. Let your training show.
Hook rat. You see it? Poor little hook rat! What a shame!
The healing draft here. Down here.
Lady's gift, a healing draught.
Anyone have some healing? Or not?
Take this shot, I abjure thee!
Healing drop!
Hold a moment while I drink.
bones.
Ammunition here.
That blight stormer will trouble us no more.
Here. Chaos warriors. Vile taste. Eat hops. Blood everywhere and another one gone. By the Grail, there's a lot of them.
A dozen such forms, and we make this in moments.
Nothing stops our dwarf, does it?
Bloody Northlanders, daubing their symbols on our sewers.
You're stupid and the thirsty ones.
This makes twisted sense. Nurgle and Thalia are natural enemies.
One the bringer of plagues, and one the curer.
Like Sigma, Thalia cleanses corruption. Though
Es
her
que recuerdo lo
methods
que
are...
hay tú.
Kinder, compassionate, empathetic.
I was going to say less effective. Look around you. We are surrounded by broke.
Throw another. Wait, did I hear something?
Drunken ratty gunner!
Ah, another life leak. Mind the shielded ones.
You're wounded, sir.
All you got? Ah! Really? Keep moving. Look at where he got it. See, above.
Bounce away. The dwarf deserves better.
You look unwell, Sunfire. I think I heard the door open. So, you leave me, Saltfire. Back to the Purging, Saltfire. Doors opened. Here's another.
This is our moment. Make them pay.
Paler than usual, Saltfire. Slay that fire rat!
Sakuraren putza. No, eta bigarren nivelera aintzat heldu gara. Vale. Ahora. Esto en contra. Causar en contra, causar en contra.
Rain won't stop them. We're not fighting out dwarf nobles.
Puede ser nada. Honekin ezin badugu krugarrekin. Bestela, berriro biratuko genuke partida estekin 35. nivelean gaudelako jadanik.
I'm not sure why I'm bothering to explain this, as you're going to forget as soon as the illusion takes hold, but here goes. There's something hidden in the area around Magnus Tower. All I can say is that I'll know it when I see it. Search every nook and cranny. I'll provide whatever guidance I can, so you'd better listen. Once you have it, sound the horn to alert the town.
Shot was acceptable.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story.
Now, this seems familiar.
Eskera ikusi dudan.
Hatred fuels my purpose. It shall fuel...
A ver.
My skin crawl!
The guards. We must issue their warning.
Hoopla! Pellets!
Boss, it's skull for a good... Sit lively, Dory.
By the trail, there's a lot of them.
moment while I drink. Ammunition stash.
Smite those archers! Gladiator!
Don't let up! We've a Chaos Warrior to kill!
With this shot I am journey!
Have a care, mayflies. There's a Minotaur of 8.
What abomination
Venga ya.
approaches now?
Informe. Vale, vayan a Mendy. Ahora el fanatic.
Is this the right way? Who knows? Certainly not you lot. Take a look anyway.
Life leech lurking, mayflies.
Flame rat!
Leech is down!
Neskerrak toma gitarrak nik ez ditu hartzen.
And I'm uncooked. Northlander Knight on your toe,
Now,
mate.
don't be alarmed.
No, vale.
I think a rot-blind shaman has disrupted
Cada
my
punto impone
illusion.
en verdad.
Oh, no, probably.
Well done. Don't want to get separated.
No había ningún plan en carrera bien. Autorizada, pero ya no hay ningún.
Gas rat!
Black powder! Blow the gate! It's not gonna stop the scathing anyway.
Face them together. Stay close. The righteous feel no pain. Gas rat!
Ni hobeto pikutara baldin bano. Egongo dirira taldekideak nitaz naskatuta. Utzi bakean!
You're paler than usual, Salzbar.
Acceptable for a wizard.
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this. Archers! Over there!
I spray a healing draft. Cheers.
There's something odd about that statue. It's too gaudy, and I think there's something else.
Eta pentsatu ere. Eso gaiti.
Hey, my God! The gate's here to stop it!
Come, finish me if you dare.
Holy justice!
Nothing eyes in the dark. I feel the winds riding, Light Stormer. No, that's a stunner.
A Rothelm! Sigmar grant me strength! The Rothelm dies!
One less Blight Stormer!
There's a mystery here. Don't tell me you can't feel it.
But the flesh requires binding!
Strangler! Over there, kill it!
Look out! Leech incoming! Some Lumberfoot's brew. Oh, for desperate times
Watch the
only.
flanks, we've a Blight Stormer close by. Healing Jaws, over
Chaos
here!
Warrior Mayflies.
Down the hatch! Found aid!
I think you're on the right path. Probably.
Oh, they're on the attack now!
Venga ya. Horregatik jolasten dugu txitan, Sienarekin eta Markusekin. Bila pertsonaiekin.
Twice the glory! Stop the dwarf, or you'll walk the day away. Guard me a moment!
I am lost. Lost beyond words.
You're a bit pale for the end.
Lady's golden locks of fire rat.
Gero bilatu beharko du beste talde bat. Beste lanita despertuko dira. Jarraita aurrera.
We've a fire out to deal with, Mayflies.
Espera que te esté la persona por Estela. Sirena hiltzen eta...
Ungor archers, kill them!
A town totally unprepared, now suffering the consequence.
Come on, beastie, I'm ready!
Save me from the Pale Queen. Save me.
Come on, Carillion!
Festival charging!
Aim that flame elsewhere, wizard.
There's a hook rat coming for us. Strangler's gone limp. He's done.
Oh, for the love of... There's a warp fire thrower nearby!
You've talent, wizard. My sisters could teach you a thing or two, assuming they didn't go first.
Aye! Fight on!
You're barely hanging on one eye.
A bomb? Oh, love me a good bomb!
Out of arrows. holds me back.
Your eyes dim, Elf. Is death near?
Aici pe la volit.
I hear him! Blightstormer!
Venga ya.
Hanging on, brilliant!
I'm fine, you'll see!
Let's get to the top.
Borracha tu. Mira,
Our elf's on a killing spree!
nella
Love
cosa
it,
cartata di
That's a warp fire thrower! Move! 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 Fire is through! Look! Flame round!
I walk with Sigma! Yeah, a lovely drop.
They call these arrows. They'll have to do. Blightstormer, I warned you.
Sienna, watch your blade!
Your winds are no match for my fire, sorcerer! All talent, no training. That Blightstormer. Get out of here. Make one hell of a stand.
Look at her run! Watch her die! Just as finely! You're a fool!
Curse these rats, Warren. Can't they see we're busy?
I extend my hand in aid.
Venga ya, osea, salbatzen dut eta... Ja, beste botan ez dut.
Dropping down a potion. Well, that's the way to start problem.
This shall redouble my zeal.
That's all!
Not killed them all. Seems a little anticlimactic.
Un dia sí, ja. Lurra jauzia.
Hold the line, mate! Ready, mate. Blade monster ahead. So much for that assassin.
Gunrat seems silent.
You do not die until I disappear, wizard.
Dead, not alive.
That sorcerer, he's warping the wind.
Venga ya.
I feel the dark gods reach out to me.
Ahora.
Someone kill that light stormer!
I come for you!
Chaos Warrior! Dark gods or not, the Chaos Warrior has fallen.
Mighty duo!
Please burn it! Hell on sight!
Side by side, face them together.
I die. Return me to the soil. On its way!
Krillin gehiagotan hil naiz partida honetan. Ere Krillin nahiko txiltzen dut grabo igual.
For the 8 wins! So many!
The old god is quieter already.
If we want to lead, that platform is a good choice. Let's take the moving floor back to ground level.
Sick rat-faced bastards! Stand clear of that hook! We've got the hot rack!
Yeah, you stay down, sneaker.
I think there's something wrong with the illusion. That seemed harder than before.
Good killing, Uber! You're a credit to your regiment.
It's all service, sir. We all crackheads in the same cause.
Same cause. Yes, of course. We are so alike.
Eyes open,
What's the
eyes
delay? Use the portal. Oh, that's right. You've forgotten. You'll just have to trust me.
Zuto esango dela. Eurako eta horretik ni joatea. Ba, genungarren ez dakizu misio falta zaidan gainditu gabe. Eta zazpigarren nivela, bai. Erdi, edo, txau. Bai, jo, eta detu jate maneizen hemen.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
I hope you like skipping merrily through the forest, because that's where you're going next. I'm sure it'll be fun, but as well as destroying the Ratman Doom Wheels, be sure to find me that hidden rune. Don't disappoint me. I wouldn't like that, and nor would you.
Vale, 20 ez da mehatxu bat, vale.
Where you cast, wizard?
Why am I on fire?
Bueno, hachete juego nahi.
That one's
that's
dance is over.
Are you showing your true southwest? No more flames my way!
Now, this seems familiar.
Yeah, try this bomb. A warfire thrower! Kill the fruity before it fires! Huck back! Die, Packmaster! You will trouble us no more! Leech wench!
We've got the leech mayflies.
Vale, conforme. Sound mark.
Here, healing draft.
A su vez that.
Come, wretches! I have sworn! Not enough! Either numbers forever! Eyes up and ready for a feast of flies! Oh, blessed shot! This way! I walk with Sigma! Yes! Kill every one of the bastards, Bob!
The rasp of bellows. Is that a fire rat?
Not the body, Carillion. The head.
Up here!
Hush, hush! There's a blight storm a sweat here. We're almost there.
Eso sí te diría.
Looks like a dead end.
Agian beste aldetik izango da. Hemendik goitik.
Up here.
Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body!
Hear those breaking bones. Fire and break.
This is our moment.
Take the pay!
Acceptable for a wizard.
Nothing stopped us. What did it?
Bien hori oso arriskutsua da gure.
You think pain will stop me? Come on, whatever! Go on, hit me harder! You here? Just take a swing!
Witch! Your aim is as crooked as your morals.
Vile cheese! Needs hops!
I'm sure it's an accident, but You're going the right way.
It's going for charge! Am I alone? It would seem so.
Fire and trees. Keep the two apart for Urson's sake.
Onda este nola ez.
That tickles. Even a dwarf needs tending.
That sorcerer! He's working the wind!
Don't let him drag you down.
The eternal dance! Not easily!
Bueno, sobrevivíate distinto luego justo la museos.
There! Light leech! Stunner leech down!
Voilà. Nada, zoazte.
Keep the strangler back and kill it.
Orain lasai itxarotela,
Yeah,
segidun
it's
duten.
here.
I hear a leech on the prowl.
Grab that potion, Glory.
No quarter! Let none survive unseen!
È molto la
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
Sekä animaliak faunoinen txokon bidaltzen.
Packmaster's dead!
With a life leech, Dory.
Hendi falta dira.
shooting bastard, boys! Oh, that's unfair! Vestigo charge!
Over this bridge, Story!
Oh, yes, I'm ready!
Shit! I have failed you! Grimgate, you should heal!
Eta gero ia akabatuta. Akabatu. Oso ondo. Oso ondo ni.
They're one eye. Destroy their standard!
I'm no more dead, not alive!
Dead Packmaster!
Berriro hilda.
I need help!
Up you get, Gorkson.
You think to outshoot the daughter of Lorraine? No, not yet.
You're a bit pale,
Yes.
Julian.
A ver. Zergaitik patrulla hori suntsitu. Debe irabazten duzu ere.
See the banner, darling? Break it apart!
They're like a maddened squid! Settle down!
The lodestone from Mountain.
Not a shadow! Burn, little tide!
Tempest rise! Oh, crabs alive!
Cut that blight stormer
no.
down before his wind kills us all!
Medical supplies. Lumberfoots, kindly kill that sorcerer before he drowns us in filth.
That Silas Doomy won't be a problem now! Someone kill that rooting strangler!
Baina entzuten dira. Hiltzailearen entzuten zaio
Slow
entzuten
down,
ez
Bardin.
ditu.
Leave some for the rest of us.
Don't think that'll be a problem, Karen. They're like fleas in a tile in air.
We'll be surrounded, but hardly helpless.
Good enough, these dead fellow.
I die. Return me to the soil.
You're in a bad way with your
Lost beyond words. Vestigar charging! The wind! The sorcerer
Alright,
torments
not.
them. This is not helping. Be ready.
Good evening.
Bueno, han dado vuelta. Zenbat min egiten dira.
What will your kinsfolk be thinking? What with you out here when they're surely having wars of their own?
Agian eskitergat ez dutan irabazi modu honetan, esan nuke hori dela.
I'm not sure why I'm bothering to explain this, as you're going to forget as soon as the illusion takes hold, but here goes. There's something hidden in the area around Magnus Tower. All I can say is that I'll know it when I see it. Search every nook and cranny. I'll provide whatever guidance I can, so you'd better listen. Once you have it, sound the horn to alert the town.
Vale, saiatuko gara.
Lumberfoots! The tower's this way.
The Skaven will be sure to bar our path.
Here I thought I wouldn't get to unleash my flames for a while.
See him fall!
Is that a guardhouse? They keep slut watch.
I remember this bit. Oh, you're in for it now. Or maybe you're not. How many times have we been here?
Who cannot match my zeal! Double the discipline!
Good brew or not, that potion will be useful. Portion here. I can't vouch for the taste.
Have a care! Hook that! Watch out! Leech incoming! Leech squad! The rat men don't want that ball. Shall gladly disappoint. We should fight together, not alone. The Packmaster is slain!
There's a Globadier stalking us.
We're walked into a trap! Kill them all!
Took the wind right. You must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily in their presence.
Assassin! Get this vermin off me! Sienna, why is my skin scorched?
Venga ya.
So I can tell you, sir! Yes! Kill every one of the bastards!
Look out! Leech incoming!
You think pain will stop me? Hard to matter when I am alive!
No one eye. We've got the leech mayflies.
And ruin Dad!
This shall redouble my zeal.
Este de abajo. Mira, chaval.
Save it for later,
A ver.
Fire. Burn it off!
Got another!
Move! It's a rattling! Leave a rat ogre!
The country! Oh, with a fight now! Twice the glory! Not straight yet! Dorrington, you should...
but not theirs. Die now, if you prove me right, we're gonna...
Right over it down. Oh, nicely done, One Eye.
Approval, Elf. From you?
Failed, gas rat. Death is too good for you.
The elf kills another.
I think you're on the right path. Probably.
Allies, if not so mercurial in nature.
Allies. Adults and children are not allies. One guides.
You two, just shut up and guide your weapon or enemies.
Above. For those who need it. It reeks of black powder.
Vale, guazen ipotxaren, nanoaren
A
bila.
typical mayfly nest, if oddly quiet. Who chose this route? That clanking brute can't fool my ears. Look at that
Now, don't
armor.
be alarmed, but I think a rot-blood shaman has disrupted my illusion. Oh,
Receive the judgment of Sigmar!
Is that gate really so...
I fight on! To the last!
Joder.
Scratch.
Crook! The gas rat!
Gas rat growing! No quarter! Let none survive us!
With this shot, I abjure thee!
In the distance, the Mayfly Tower.
Work, you stinking crow, work!
The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
there's something odd about that statue. It's too gaudy, and I think there's something else.
Sigmar, bless this shot! Knock me off me!
I died. Return me to the soil.
Bah! Grimnir, that's a hook rat! Hook rat's dead! Here, assassin, I'm ready for you! Go for the head, Butelgi, less harder!
There's something not quite right here. I can't quite put my finger on it.
Justice finds me!
How are you? That's a warp fire thrower. Move! Move! Move!
The Packmaster's done for!
The rat perishes, and the mechanism ceases. The wizard proves the wisdom of clemency.
Me la vas a engordar.
Everything hurts.
The flames have failed her.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this!
This way looks promising.
He's blood done.
Un momentico, ahora. Ahora.
It's not hard to believe you mayflies drink that sludge.
Ha! Gas rat, and it draws nigh.
Ammunition! Thankful I am.
Float it, bloody Blightstormer! You hear that?
A rot hell. He's clumsier than you, mayflies.
Small, foul abomination!
Not so good in a fair fight, assassin.
Mind where you shoot!
And mind your tongue, too.
Keep back!
The sorcerer.
Elias, come and Globadier! I walk with Sigma!
Me río. vale. Conforme.
Just another glorious day in the Reichland.
A ber, 30. nivelera aintzat heltzen garen. Edo 30. mailera, hobeto. Partida erdian ez, mesedez. Partida erdian ez.
So everyone's ready except our dear bright wizard. Come on, lass, get ready. I know what you need. It caught our attention that the Rotbloods are digging for something. Turns out they're after the lost monolith of Gulmagak. Cursed thing is said to contain the putrid soul of a long-dead Chaos Lord, and I dread to think on the immense power lurking within. Unfortunately, we'd need a score of wizards to even make a dent in the bloody thing, but Alicia has found a way to deal with it. For now, at least.
Bueno, ezer baino gehiago behintzat bada.
The monolith's only 1,000 years old. Barely enabling mayflies. Now, Alicia's plan. You did pay attention.
Well, according to her information, the buboes of the monolith's outgrowth are exposed in this early stage. They're our targets.
You know these Nurgle do me. They're always happy to interrupt the killing fun with an unlawful stench, sight for sore eyes, cutting killjoys every rotten morning.
I am your heir.
Quickly now! Down here!
The head's a better target.
Chaos Warrior! He'll blaze like a torch!
Can you do no better?
Assassin!
Don't give up. You're
The Chaos Warrior's dead.
Assassin Rat's dead! Ammunition's no good for me. Any takers?
Bendito, ando.
Over there, Lumberfoot. A Chaos Warrior. There are too many of them.
Blood everywhere, and another one! Oh, foul abomination! Zillah's do me, blind stormer! Through here!
Dag, let your foul winds
Speed your soul to damnation! Fast story! In the twist, the low road, there, in that shadow! Telgi, shoot the enemy, not me! I walk with Sigma! That's how it's done! Kill them all, Ricky! Stand clear of that pup!
Come, Stunner.
Think we
By the
annoyed
skin
you,
of
Rory.
value.
Strangle's got left.
to me!
Yeah!
By the eight winds, Chaos Warrior!
No! Justice finds me! Backlash!
Papi gutara.
Mariah, guide me!
Fire consuming me.
Lucky hit.
Not yet.
Hope you want to fight. We found a Chaos Warrior. No! Our master's war fallen!
The righteous feel no pain!
Acid and dust! A blight stormer!
Bueno, lagunok gauza daden, espero gustuko zen zaizuela durrengoan gehiago.